but he is the fastest mouse in all Mexico.
Fast? Fast? I'll show you what fast is. Not bad without a tailwind. Now to business. Aha! There's my quarry. This is going to be too easy. Hey, amigos. It's another one of those local hunters. Step outside, Speedy Gonzales. I want to show you something. What is it you want to show me, Senor Doc? Me ain't got too much brains. Look into the telescope and see the pretty girl. A pretty girl?
Ole, Toledo, what is this? Ole, qué bonita señorita. Epa, epa.
Just a darn minute there. Let me take a look. I don't see nothing.
Allow me to